We'd love to know who really is Joanne Bongkay.
Well, I am a mom, a life partner, a business owner, a friend, a daughter, a sibling, and I think a mentor to a lot of people, especially to our employees. But I want to articulate my identity in each role para lang din mas makilala ako ninyo and ng mga makakapanood nito. As a mom, isa akong very supportive. I think naging very supportive ako sa anak ko this year lang. Kasi before, super strict na gusto ko. Everything's in place. I think as a mother, ganun talaga. But right now, parang mas natutunan ko na i-embrace yung motherhood na hindi kailangang maging super stricto sa anak. I just want him to enjoy life and I want to instill in him the values of resilience and kindness. Para habang lumalaki siya, alam kong hindi siya mapapariwara kasi yun yung meron siya.